Hi, thank you for joining me. Today I want to show you how to devein a shrimp. And the reason you want to devein shrimp is because once you cook them and start chewing on them, you feel something crunchy. Well, you didn't take out the digestive system, and that's all the debris that you generally don't want to eat. So these shrimp have been shelled and they have been headed and shelled. These are really fresh shrimp. For one, when you need to devein the shrimp, you need to devein all of them, but some you can tell have just eaten or really have digested some of what they have eaten. You see that darkness in there? You don't see it on this one. So this one may not have much in its tract, digestive tract, but this one does. Either way it goes, I devein all the shrimp and pull it out. So you need a knife, of course, you need a knife, and you need the shrimp. So what you do is you're going to take this knife and cut it along the back in half, right down the back. You're going to go right down there, and you can see it, the digestive tract in there. So that's where you're cutting it. So be careful. You take a really sharp knife, and starting here at the front of it, you slice lightly down the back. You don't have to go far into the body of the shrimp. I cut all the way down. And when you open it up, you can see, when you peel this back, you can see it right there. All of that needs to come out. It goes all the way down the length of the body, all the way down. And so you just take the edge of the knife along with your finger here and pull, give it a little tug, and the whole thing should come out. See, part of it didn't, it's hanging, but you take the entire thing out. That's it. And then you can wipe it off. But every shrimp has one, and you need to take that out because that's the waste material, and if you eat it, it is crunchy. So thank you for joining me. Until next time.